Hello guys, welcome to Become a Techie YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the lists in Excel. So let's get started. I have a list, I have some data with me that I have downloaded from the internet. So this is the data and it is totally unsorted and organized data. Just some details are dumped into an Excel sheet. So this looks really unorganized and the information is not at all attractive or not at all accessible. So converting it into a list makes my data more organized, gives me the data in a more informative way, more accessible way. So that is why I'm going to convert it into a list. So the first rule while creating a list or converting the data into the list is the first row should contain the headers, and right now you can see that it contains the headers, but I should format it or change its formatting in such a way that Excel will understand that this is my header row. Okay, so I am making this text bold. I am changing the background of this. Okay, so now I can say that this first row is my header row. Okay, and Excel will also identify it as the header row because I have changed the formatting. Okay, the second rule is you should not have any blank lines in your data. So because if you have any blank lines, that will be a differentiator or a separator between the data. Okay, so that will not take your entire data while we are using some functions on the Excel list like dsum, daverage or any such functions. Okay, so make sure you don't have any blank rows in your Excel data. Okay, Excel list. Okay, so these are the two important rules. Okay, now my data doesn't have any blank rows. Okay, and I have also created the first row as a header. Okay, so next thing we can do is we can sort the data. Okay, so for sorting we just have to click here on any of these cells. Okay, then we can go to data in the ribbon. Okay, and here we have sort and filter. Okay, so here we have quick sorts. Okay, so here we have first is the lowest to highest or ascending, that is A to Z sorting. Okay, that is alphabetic order sorting, and then we have the reverse alphabetical order sorting or descending order sorting. Okay, so I am clicking on this first one, that is alphabetic sorting, and yes, you can see now that my entire data is being sorted according to the alphabetical order. So city, I have Boston. I mean, from A, I didn't have any city starting with the A letter, so it is starting with B. Categories from C, cookies, and product or error root, that is starting from A. Okay, so it is being sorted now. You can, if I scroll down, you can see that it is properly sorted. Okay, yeah, properly sorted according to the product actually. Okay, and if I select this and again give a sort, then also you can see it is properly sorted. Okay, according to the product. Okay, so this is how sorting works. Okay, so we have these two as the quick sorts. Okay, ascending and descending. Now if I want to customize my sort, so there is another option here, that is sort. Okay, so I can just click anywhere here, and then I can open this. Okay, this will open something like this. So I can add level here, delete level, copy level. These are some of the options. So first of all, it asks me that on which column do you want to sort and on what values you want to sort. So I am giving here city. Okay, I want to sort based on city, and on sort on cell value, cell color I don't have. Okay, font color, condition, formatting. So no, I want cell values and order. So ascending, descending, or custom list, that also it is asking. Okay. In custom list we can see, in custom list they have already provided some of the default values like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or January, February, March. These are some of the default custom lists that they have already provided. But if we are not satisfied with this, we can also create a new list and then add our own values. Okay, but right now I am selecting this A to Z option. Okay, and then I am giving OK. So you can see now it is sorted according to the city. Okay, so Boston, 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 everything Boston is coming, then Los Angeles, and then if you scroll further down, New York, and then you can see San Diego. So it is sorted alphabetically from A to Z. Now this is actually single level sort. I again want to add one level, and okay, so this is like multi level sorts that I am giving. First I am sorting by city, then I am sorting by category. Okay, category, cell values, A to Z, and yes, this we have to check, because this gives information that my data has headers. Okay, first row is the header row. Okay, and I am hitting an OK. So now you can see city is first. I mean, we have the data sorted according to the city, then we have the data sorted according to the category, where the category is first bars, then it is cookies, that is C, then it is crackers, so CO, then CR, then again it is bars, cookies, crackers, snacks again, because now the first parameter, or the first column is changed from Boston, it is changed to Los Angeles here. So again the same pattern, that is bars, cookies, crackers, it will again be repeated. Okay, so likewise first it sorts based on city, and then it sorts based on the category. So this is how we can create multiple levels and then sort our data accordingly. We also have this delete level option, so it will delete, yeah, like this it will be deleted, and then if I hit OK again, I will get the same sorting as previous. Okay, so now the category is not sorted. If you see, category is not as previous. Okay, it is not actually sorted in the way like we have bars and then cookies and then crackers, and again it gets repeated. No, we have all the bars, then we have all the cookies, then we have all the crackers, and then we have all the snacks. So this is the difference. So according to your requirement, you can create multi-level sorting, and you can add more and more levels, and then you can play with your data. Okay, make your data more presentable and more attractive. Okay, so this is about sorting. And then we have filters. Okay, one more very useful, very beneficial function is filter. Okay, so here we can filter the data. Okay, so if I can just in this sort and filter, I have this filter option. Okay, so as soon as I hit this filter, all the headers will come with some drop downs. Okay, so if I click on this drop down, I have this text filter option here, and then I can select or unselect or deselect all these options, and accordingly I will get. So right now I have selected all the options. So if I choose just Los Angeles and New York and I hit OK, so I will get only the data of Los Angeles and New York City. So yeah, you can see 117 records of 244 records are found. So you can see now only Los Angeles and New York, only this much data is being displayed, and other cities data is not being displayed to me. Okay, so this is again you can see here because filter is applied, the symbol is changed little bit. Okay, filter icon is there and then drop down icon is there. So this is the difference between the icon. And you can also now, so this is the single level filter. Okay, on city column only. You can again apply another filter on category. For example, you have category like bars and snacks. Okay, only snacks you want. So yeah, you can see now again your data is more filtered. You have only 16 records out of 244 records which belong to the city Los Angeles and New York, and the category is only snacks. And then product is actually you have only product as potato chips here, and then you have other data. Okay, so if you change it to suppose cookies and snacks, you can see 60 records are appearing. And now if you further uh, put a filter on the product, like if you only want, for example, choco chips, so yeah, you can see only 18 records are being filtered out. So this way you can put a filter on every column, and you can filter out the data according to the requirement. So this is how filter works. Okay, so this is called as if you want to clear the filter, you can have an option here that is clear, so it will clear out all the filters. Okay, so this is how filters work, and it is a very useful function that Excel has provided us. Okay, and next one is subtotal. So if I want to find the subtotal, like category wise subtotal, I want like what is the total price of a particular category in a particular city. So for that, Excel has provided a function or a feature called as subtotal. So the first prerequisite for using a subtotal is that our list should be sorted. Okay, so I am selecting this and I am sorting this. So I am getting around 500. Next one says you have not selected, it will not be sorted. Continue with the current selection and sort. Okay, so this is sorted now. Okay, and then I am using this. Just go here, click on subtotal. This dialog box will come. Here I have to select some of the values. Okay, so it is asking me at each change in. So when do I want to display the subtotal? So each change in, I am giving city right now. Okay, so when the city will be changed, I want to check the subtotal. Okay, and use functions. So we have various functions here like sum, count, average, min, max, product. I am choosing sum, and add subtotal to. So what do we want to check? So I am interested in the total price, so I am selecting it, and then I am hitting an OK. Okay, so this is how it looks. So you can see here Boston total, it is 3,319. So city wise subtotal is being displayed here. So whatever the data whatever the category products are there, so total price for them is 3,319. Okay, so similarly for Los Angeles it is 2,886. Cool, right? So this is how it works. Okay, and you can see three different numbers are being displayed here. So first is showing us the grand total. Okay, so grand total is 33,325. Okay, the second is showing us the subtotals. Okay, so Boston, Los Angeles, New York, all these totals are shown, right? So yeah, you can see something like this. And then third is showing us the total data. Okay, so this is how it works. So if you want to go into more detailed, this is just the example that I have shown. Just a minute. Yeah, so this is just an example that I have shown you. I am again going to show you one more example of the category. So subtotal. Okay, I will now apply it based on the category, sum and total price. Okay, so now you can see here cookies total, it is 17,000. then you can see here crackers total, it is 3000, and snacks total is 2237, and grand total is this one. So now we have created the subtotal based on the category. So this way you can filter your data, you can sort your data and create the grand totals, and it will be really easy and convenient way to use. Okay, so this is how it works. So you can see here category wise total, that is bars total, cookies total, crackers total, snacks, and also the grand total. So this is how it works. In the third you can see the entire data, in the first one you can only see the grand total. So this is how it works. If you click on plus, it will show you the entire data. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is all about subtotal. That is a very useful function in the list. Okay, so now that we have created list, so now that we have created list, I also want to show you like how we can create a table. So here in home we have an option here, that is format as table. So we can also convert our data into table. So here we have this format as table option, and here we have different styles. So table styles are already provided to us, and we can change the table style here or choose a table style. I am choosing this one. So it is asking me like from where your data is. So I am first giving this thing, and then I am telling it from A1 to what is this F to 45, I guess. Okay, so I have to first remove the filters. I'm just going here, data, just clicking here. Okay, and here also I am giving a ungroup rows, and again I am giving here clear outline. Yeah, so now everything is as earlier, and now I am going here, home, format as table, selecting this one. Okay, so you can see it is now changed to table. So this is also a good way to change your data to table. And then as soon as you change your data to table format, you can see this table design tab is automatically appearing here. So you can you have various options here, like remove duplicates, you have insert slicer, you have this rename table, you can change the name of the table here, you can remove the duplicates, you have other options like total row, you can display the total row. If I select, you can see this total row is coming. So this is not, grand total is not part of our table, because we have selected the rows from A1 to A240, A1 to F249. So this will not be the part of our table, but you can see this total has been appeared here because we have selected this option, that is total row. Okay, so this is how it works. Then we already have header row, filter button. You can check all these also and explore the things. Then you also have this option of remove duplicates. So here if I click on it, you can see to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns. So we have to select one or more columns. Right now I have selected all and just hit OK. So you can see 18 duplicate values were found and they were removed, and 230 unique values are remaining now. So this is how at one click we can delete the duplicate values and make our data really consistent and organized, and we are good to go. Okay, so right now I'm just undoing it. And one more thing is, like, I want to show you how we can uh, highlight the duplicate values. Okay, so here you just go to your home and then conditional formatting. Then another thing is highlight cell rules, and then you can click this duplicate values and highlight them. So highlight with, they are giving some options here, like what do you want and what format you want for the duplicate values. So I am just selecting this red, a light red fill with dark red text. Okay, I think we have already removed everything, that is why we didn't get any duplicate. Okay, so here you can see there are many rows that are highlighted. So actually how it is working is, it is checking this, like Boston, bars and banana, these are like duplicates, that is why it is being highlighted. So this is how it is working. I'm just undoing it, and like for example, I'm just selecting this column and applying a conditional formatting for duplicate values. Okay, so now you can see these two values are duplicate. Again you can see this 107 and 107 is here somewhere, yeah, here somewhere 69. So likewise you can see that the duplicate values are being highlighted now with a red color text and a light red color background. So this is how within a single click you can find the duplicate values that are in your data, and you can then apply some more operation on it, like remove duplicates using this. So here now it is total price, right? So first of all, unselect all, total price. You can see 49 duplicate values are found. Okay, and removed also. So this is how you can remove the inconsistent data in your worksheet and make your, I have just done an undo. Okay, so that is why I am again able to see this. So this is how you can remove your inconsistent data in your worksheet and make your data look really organized and consistent. Okay, so this is about Excel sheets. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, as it will really help me to grow and make more content of. So thank you so much, and please subscribe. Bye bye.